It's time to make a mini version of this.
Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are installing what is a scarcity, a unicorn if you will, in the world of modifying razors, and that is these RSF 650 wheels. Now these things are so hard to get, I'm not really totally sure why. I think it's because of you, Sir. But anyways, I'm super happy to have these. I actually called Razor on the phone, spoke with Rita, shout out Rita. Only had to pay like 200 bucks plus my firstborn child for these, but enough talk, enough chit chat. Let's get these things installed. Alrighty guys, and just like that, she is all finished. We've got the front wheel on here, looks so sweet. The brakes, they could still use a little work clearly, but the rear bolted up nice and easy. This is my spacer setup. I've got two right there, and I've got one here on the inside. You can't see it really. And then just the bolt on the outside, obviously. And that just centers the rear wheel on the brake pads perfectly, and you can see this spins very nice. So I reckon we go out, give this thing a first spin. I do still have to change those rear brakes though. Actually, scratch that guys, just fixed the front. Looks like we were supposed to use both of these included spacers and these longer bolts, and now it spins freely. So let's go get our first ride on. No GoPro, but just out in the parking area to see how it feels. Oh, feels smooth. It looks sick, I will say that for sure. Make sure the brakes work. Oh my god, it wheelies so straight. Wow. New brakes on this will be sweet soon too. Oh my god. Oh, the best part is we don't have to worry about bending these wheels because they're cast aluminum or iron or whatever, but no spokes. Guys, just one last overview. So RSF wheels, front and rear installed. The front took honestly a good amount of time, but once we figured out the right spacing, you use both of these spacers and a longer bolt provided in the RSF 650 wheel adapter kit, and then you use these spacers, and then it spins perfectly fine. For the rear, what I did is I didn't take off the heatsink. Like I said, we've got just a teeny bit of room there for it to fit, so it's good that I don't have to take that off.
Whoa, hold your horses there, buddy.
Well guys, turns out I'm dumb, and this rear tire just wasn't inflated fully. So once you inflate it, it does not fit with the heatsink, so I'm gonna have to take off the motor, the wheel, the motor, then the heatsink, and then put it all back together. Okay, we're back in business now. Yeah, little to no clearance without the heatsink with the tire inflated, but regardless, good to go now. As always though guys, I appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you very soon on this bike. Peace.